OnePlus launched its first true wireless earbuds in July, may look similar to AirPods. OnePlus is rumored to launch its first true wireless earbuds aka TWS earbuds in July. The Chinese company was speculated to bring its true wireless earbuds alongside the OnePlus 8 series last month. However, the company didn't unveil the much-anticipated offering and instead ended up unveiling the Bullets Wireless Z as its affordable wireless in-ear headphones. OnePlus is expected to compete strongly against Apple's AirPods with its true wireless earbuds that have been anticipated for some time. A special event could take place in July where the company may unveil the OnePlus Z in addition to the true wireless earbuds. A tipster named Max J. on Twitter has indicated that the true wireless earbuds by OnePlus will launch in July. The tipster has also posted an image suggesting the design of the earbuds that appear quite similar to the AirPods. OnePlus hasn't yet released any details about its true wireless earbuds. Nevertheless, the tipster in December posted a concept image to suggest the launch of the true wireless earbuds by the company. The earbuds were expected to launch alongside the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro last month. However, the tipster tweeted a few days before the launch that the company would sadly not launch the true wireless earbuds at the OnePlus 8 launch. The new earbuds by OnePlus are expected to debut alongside the OnePlus Z, which was initially rumored as the OnePlus 8 Lite and is reported to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 SoC along with 5G support. Late last month, Max J claimed that the OnePlus Z would launch in July. Interest towards expanding an audio market. OnePlus entered the world of wireless audio devices by launching the first-generation Bullets wireless in-ear headphones in May 2018. The headphones received their update in May last year through the arrival of the Bullets Wireless 2. OnePlus didn't upgrade the Bullets Wireless 2 this year but brought an affordable version in the form of the Bullets Wireless C last month that is available at 1,999 rupees. After bringing the three in-ear headphones, OnePlus seems to be all set to enter true wireless earbud space with its new offering. The company is likely to join Realm, which is owned by the same parent BBK Electronics, and imitate the design of Apple's AirPods. However, it is likely that there might be some changes on the features front to deliver some distinction. Counterpoint Research in its recent report revealed that while Apple dominated the true wireless earbuds shipments in India last year with its AirPods, Realm Buds Air managed to reach the second spot in the market, largely thanks to its design and form factor that both are reminiscent of the AirPods. This gives a reason to new entrants like OnePlus to follow in the footsteps of the Cupertino company. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.